here in Eastern Cape, we have no reason to be xenophobic. What do you mean by that? Because amaXhosa are found in Zimbabwe. Abumpofu bakhona apha eZimbabwe. So when you say asibafuni mabahambe, usho ukuthi everyone who has got a surname that sounds like Zimbabwean must go. It means the Mpofus here must also live. Abantwana bomzilikazi from the Zulu nation are found in Zimbabwe. The Tsongas in Limpopo in Guyana, they are found in Mozambique. The Basutus in Free State and parts of Matatiele here in Eastern Cape are found in Lesotho. They are your relatives. You've got children with them. Some of you during weekends, you even cross to go into an event across the fence without a passport. Mara just yesterday. You are not aware. Someone has come to fool you and make you think there is a big problem for you to fight with your own neighbors. You said they take jobs. I asked the question. 300 Ghanaians went back to Ghana 3 days ago. Show me 300 jobs which were created after those 3 Ghanaians left. Say no, Mahama took 300 people back to Ghana. And as a result, here are 300 jobs that we created. Because what are Temi 78? Which jobs are they taking from you? Who wants to do these jobs that these people don't pay for? Because these people who come from outside South Africa, they are the ones who do those jobs during harvesting season in Stellenbosch, where they are not paid anything. And you will never want to do that job because we know our rights. We don't want slaves jobs. We want jobs that have got appointment letter with benefits, with pension funds, a letter that can confirm that you are economically active. Not jobs that are going to exploit South Africans. That's why you will never go back to take those jobs. In Alexander, 1 year, they took away the Zimbabweans and foreigners who were selling apples and tomatoes on the streets. Said, Mabahambe, let them go out. After they chased them away, no South African went to that space to sell tomatoes and apples. Abantu base Alex were saying, hey, you know, we now travel long distance to go and get tomato. Because when you remove them, you must go in and sell tomatoes. Stellan Davin has got 500 million to give you to start those spaza shops, to occupy those streets and sell. But they will never give you that money. It goes into their pockets. We're told 500 million is out. But I'm sorry, I'm not going to fight for spaza shop. I'm fighting for a mine. I'm fighting for a bank. That's why they divert you into spaza shops, because they don't want you to concentrate on the real economy. They want you to fight over crumbs while they are continuing to eat. Stop the hate, because from xenophobia it's going to be tribalism. It's already tribalism somewhere in KZN where vendors are being beaten. South Africans, anyone who can't speak Zulu is being beaten up. You cannot promote hate. It doesn't matter how hungry you are. Even in your hunger, you must never hate. You can hate me for telling you not to hate. Why must I tell you to hate? I must tell you to love. And when I tell you to love, it means you must love yourself first before you can love other people. You are hating on other people because you are hating yourself. How will I differentiate in this hall who's Xhosa, who's Zulu, who's Venda, by just looking at you? Some of us from Limpopo are going to be the biggest victims because we are dark. At least you Xhosas abu matiba omte. You shall survive. Tina hamba kai. Hey, I'm from hey. When you try to explain I'm from Yabari, tell us what is this in Xhosa? Oh, la la. What is an elbow in Xhosa? It's finished. That's how hate works. I'm hated because I'm saying the white people and black people must be equal. And all of them benefit from the resources of this country. Why would you hate someone who says we must be equal? Because equality means unity. You will never be united when someone is up here and the other one is lower and you say you are united. How are you united like that? You have to bring them to a level, and that will automatically become a unity of South Africans. I've never promoted hatred anywhere, but I'm hated for promoting love and unity and equality. And the way they hate me for saying you must love each other and all of you benefit from the resources of this country. Sometimes I look at them, I'm like, these ones, if Jesus Christ was still alive, they were going to kill him. Because Jesus Christ preached Mfundis, love and peace and unity. That's what I'm saying. When I say to you, get the land, I'm not saying kill white people. I'm saying let's all have the land. Let's share this land. It can't be that 80% of the population owns 14% of the land, and less than 10% of the population owns 85% of the land.
Ayi bantu bakuthi ndizophinde ndicontribute kwinto ezithethwa nguJulius. Hayi ndivumelene ndiyilungise le ebeyithetha apha ephondweni. Mhlawumbe ebeyithetha kwenye indawo bendingazuyingena. Le ayithetha engcobo isingcwabeni izolo. Hayi masiyilungise. Xa esithi iziphaza shops economy ye-crumbs okanye ngesixhosa imvuthuluka, abantu mabaleqe ibanks, makulelwe uba maku-ownwe ibhanki nelanto nee-mines. Mhlawumbi ke xa uba bekuthiwa la political science yakhe beyimejarishe nge-economics, besinawuthetha bhetele angayimejarishe nge-citizenship. Andiyazi uba nale majoring yakhe ye-citizenship akayi-implementi because silwana nento illegal immigrants. But the person who has studied that doesn't seem to understand. But andikho lapho ndize kule into yoba iziphaza shops zi-crumbs. Iziphaza shops, does he know that on annual basis they are estimated into yokokuba zigenerate around 900 billion South Africa? Yi-5.2 or 5.1% contribution kwi-GDP. Low profit leyo that they make. And then uthi zi-crumbs ezo. Abantu bakuthi bayawukhumbula kaloku uba iziphaza shops zi-ownwa ngoku ngabantu bokufika. And abantu bokufika siyakhumbula, particularly i-Somalis ne-Pakistans, ngabantu ababefike bexwa ingubo emqolo, bejikeleza apha ezilalini, behamba ezilokishini besithi thatha mama bhatala 3 months, thatha mama bhatala 3, behamba ngenyawo. Kwahambeka bemane bathatha ke umama bakuthi, abantu bakuthi bebhatala. Kwahambeka bahamba ngeza moto ezincinci kwakuthiwa zingamaphela. eza Corolla, iziprinter zazincinci, bahamba ngezando ngexesha baqalayo uvula iziphaza shops. But today what they are driving, but drive GD6 today. Yeah, gone. Kuthiwa ke zicrams okanye nalapho ezispaza shops zabo siyayazi uba ziproduce fake products kodwa zibahambisa ngemoto ezinkulu. Ndike nibabukele ke mna ke kule ndawo ndihlala kuyo kukuyiholo abathanda uzotshadisa kulo apha. Yiyo imoto abazimisayo, particularly iFortuner ezintsha. And then kuthiwa lo economy zicrams, imvuthuluka. So kuxelelwa uta X olapha ekuhlaleni ongaphangeleyo ozizamelayo ngendlela azizamela ngaba hayi susijonga mani into yespaza shop, masilinde imine nebank ngoba imvuthuluka. Abe phofu uta X apha ebukele amaPakistan namaSomali ama ngemoto ezinkulu, yena ezibambela amatorho phana pha. Ngoku kugqitywa ukhutshwa 500 million kuStella Ndabeni, Minister of Small Businesses, inokokuba makufandwe abantu bakuthi for iziphaza shop. Kwayena Julius uthi anozoyifumana lo mali izawutyiwa iANC. Meaning noba lo mali asiyihoyanga ngohlobo lwakhe athetha ngalo, because la industry yeziphaza shop masingayikhathaleli. Hayi ngumhlola lo. Mayiqhubeke iownwa ziPakistans neSomalis. Phofu ke zithenga iproducts, zisityisa iproduct okanye zithengisela abantu iproduct ezizifake. Kuthiwa masingayihoyi. Bantu bakuthi ndicela mani sizilungise izinto ngokuzingekanwenwi kakhulu. Ayikho into yokuba xa uvula ispaza, a small business, kuthiwe uleqa crumbs. Kule 8 million yabantu abatsha bangaphangeliyo, tell me zizawufika nini ezibhanki bazilindileyo, zizawufika nini ezimine bazilindileyo, nezi hectares of land, when are they going to arrive? EFF has been established in 2013. Klonyaka ide ibephi le distribution of land without expropriation of land without compensation. Babe besithini abantu ngoku besalinde umhlaba, belinde ibhanki, belinde imines. Mabebe beyeka ieconomy yeziphaza ithathwe ziSomalis. Abantu bakuthi masingayivumeli lonto. Noko abantu abaninzi balahlekiswe kakhulu ngulamntu. Noko ngoku thina abantu baqondayo hayi asizuyivumela lameko. At least uba bekuthumejarishe ngeeconomics kule political science yakhe, njengam ke as a person uke wayenza i-political sciences, angahlali pha kwi-citizenship akeze mhlawumbi bezazi-understanda ke as dynamics ze-economics, but not le voodoo economics athetha ngayo. Phofu yena uhlala in a well-established areas, and also he drives nice cars. He lives a lifestyle that ngexesha phofu yena alinde imines nentontoni uphila kamandi. So abantu bakuthi mabahlale bayeke iziphaza shops zithathwa ngabantu bokufika kuba kusithwa imvuthuluka. We are not going to allow that. Bazawuhamba abantu bokufika, the small businesses ezilapha eSouth Africa, according to the Immigration Act, zizawukwenziwa ngabantu balapha eSouth Africa. That's it. And we are not going to stop that message. EFF and Julius Malema can go fetch or jump into the nearest hell. Otherwise, South Africa belongs to South Africans and all its inheritance. Dango.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongele, bye. See you on the next one.